Propagating Pineapples. This pineapple and this one are the same age, but I cut the head this size into 6 pieces, and now I've formed actually 8 pineapple plants from that same size pineapple head. And these are the pineapple heads that were formulated from the pineapple, and this was 6 months ago. So these pineapples are now 6 months old. I cut the head into 6 pieces and I got 6 plants, and then 2 of the original plants gave me 2 more, and these are the 2. 1, 2. All right, so now this makes 8 shoots that I've gotten from the 1 pineapple head. If you look here, you're gonna see the original plant that was cut. Okay, these are some of the leaves from the original plant that were cut, and then this plant right here is coming up from the mother plant. So this plant actually gave me 2 slips, as well as this one. See, this is the original plant right there, and it gave me a shoot right here, so that's number 8. So I got 8 slips from the 1 pineapple head. Okay, so I'm going to take you back up and let you see the original plant size that 1 plant would have been had I not cut the head into the 6 pieces. So this is what the 1 other plant would have looked like. Okay, so I had 1 plant this size that I cut into 6 pieces, and I got multiple from 2 and single from the other 4. Okay, giving me a total of 8 slips of pineapples. So propagation of pineapples, it can be done successfully, and this is 6 months later. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 original plants, and then, like I said, I got 1 more from one of the first 6, and another one from one of the first 6, giving me a total of 8 plants from the 1 pineapple head.